The white one. She looks very innocent. No, 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 no. No barking. He likes to bark. What? What? No. No. No barking, Toby. No barking. Let me see what's outside. Oh. It's outside. See, I like to open my shades and window because I like to see outside, but the dog is can't stop barking if he sees a little bit things out there. But there's not even nothing out there. Nothing out there. Shh. Oh. Oh no, I'm gonna shut this first because you cannot stop. Look at Ali, she's behaving. Look at Ali, she's behaving, right? You're behaving, Ali, right? Right. Thank you, Michael. Did you eat dinner yet, Michael? Did you eat dinner? Did you eat your dinner, Michael? I'm gonna clean up. The water is hot. Do you have dog? Do you have your own dog? Do you like dog? I know some people doesn't like dog because you know the dog is can be it's messy. You know, you have to clean up your house all the time. Never non-stop cleaning. Yeah. Non-stop.